Yo guys, what's going on? Today we're just going to do a little quick video on my new tactical equipment I got. This is an Olight Valkrye PL-3S. It's got 1000 lumens and it has a 200-meter throw. And I'll just turn the brightness down so you can see all that on the front. So yeah, so we're just going to do a quick one. Yeah, so let's crack into it. Slide to open. So slide it the other way. Boom. So it says, read me, before first use, please open the tail cap as shown in the picture, remove the insulating film and then close the tail cap. And underneath should be the instructions, there we are, and some mounting equipment. Nice. So I'm going to read all of the instructional stuff just before I get into it, just to make sure I haven't forgotten anything. So I pretty much understood everything, like I said. I just needed to make sure. But yeah, so pull it out of there. It's got some good weight to it. We've got the caps on there. We take those off. That one fell off. Pretty good weight to it. Make sure we pull this open. Take the film out. Now these actually come with batteries as well, with the brand name on it, Olight, as you can see. So there you go. Pretty cool. Push that down, flip the cover back down. So we've got strobe, normal, and momentary. So if you hold it down and release, it will stay off. If you just tap it once, it will stay on. And you should be able to change from high to low. It's quite difficult to actually notice the difference. There we go. And that really just changes the general ring of it, and a little bit of brightness, as you can see. It's really intuitive how it all works. The buttons on it are very smooth as well. And then you also have some bolts here. This will be for a 1913 rail instead of a Picatinny rail. But to actually put this on, you just unscrew this screw, which is already unscrewed, which is nice. And you unlock it by turning that way. You then adjust to where, just pointed at myself, unscrew there as well and adjust to where you want your rail to be. That will also help with just where you want it on the Picatinny rail, and it also makes sure it doesn't come off. So yeah, it's pretty good. And you just push that on, and then lock it onto your rail. So the cool thing about this is that once you lock this right down, you have a completely locked system and you can't open it. So yeah, it's a really intuitive design. There's, it all makes sense. So yeah, this will go on anything with a rail on it. So if you've got a shotgun, a rifle, a pistol, or if you're into Nerf, you can put that on there. If you're into airsoft, you can put this on there. If you are in any games where you're not allowed lights, this will not be allowed because it is technically a tactical light. So yeah, and with the strobe effect, you can blind some people. So definitely be aware of that. The quality of it is top notch. Even like all the writing on here is just really nice. It's got a very nice weight to it. and it's very compact as well. It's very narrow. Yeah, definitely a 5 out of 5 in quality. You can easily use, these are CR123 batteries as well, so like the same lights that most, same batteries that most lights use. So you can get rechargeables, or you can just buy the Olight ones. The Olight batteries do last quite a long time. So with that, that's been the review, guys. There isn't much really to say about it other than it's a good quality light. These are used extensively in the field around the world, and they work. I know a lot of people don't like Olight. I prefer Olight over some of the other brands out there. So yeah. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And yeah, check out my other videos, because I literally do videos on everything, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.